If your fridge is full, but somehow you still have nothing to eat, there's a good chance your storage system is the problem. Mismatched lids, leaking containers, and wasted leftovers can quietly make your kitchen feel way more chaotic than it should be. That's where the Rockberry 50-piece food storage container set comes in. This is a large, all-in-one container system designed for families, meal preppers, and anyone trying to bring a little order to their kitchen. With a wide range of sizes and a focus on stackable, airtight storage, it promises to simplify everything from leftovers to weekly meal prep. Right away, what stands out is the variety. You're not just getting a few containers, you're getting a full ecosystem. There are large containers for full meals, medium ones for sides, and smaller ones for sauces or snacks. And instead of forcing everything into one or two awkward sizes, this set actually adapts to what you're storing. That makes a real difference in day-to-day use because you're not wasting space or overpacking containers. The design itself is simple but practical. These are clear plastic containers, so you can instantly see what's inside without opening every lid in your fridge. That might sound minor, but it genuinely saves time and reduces food waste. The plastic feels solid without being overly thick, and it doesn't have that cheap, brittle feel you sometimes get with budget sets. It's lightweight, which makes handling easy, especially when you're dealing with multiple containers at once. The lids are where things get interesting. Each one has a four-sided snap lock mechanism that creates a tight seal. When you close it, there's a noticeable click, and it feels secure. In real-world use, this means you can carry liquids or saucy foods without worrying about leaks in your bag or fridge. It's the kind of detail you don't think about until you've had one container fail on you. In everyday performance, this set fits naturally into a busy routine. If you're meal prepping for the week, the different sizes let you portion meals properly instead of guessing. The stackable design keeps your fridge from turning into a cluttered mess, and when you're done, the containers nest into each other to save cabinet space. That nesting feature is especially helpful if you're working with a small kitchen or limited storage. Using them is straightforward. They go into the microwave without the lid, into the freezer without cracking, and into the dishwasher for easy cleanup. That kind of flexibility matters because it removes friction from your routine. You're not switching between different containers for different tasks. It's one system that does it all. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because this is a large set, it can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're not used to organizing your kitchen this way. You'll probably spend some time figuring out how to arrange everything. Also, while the plastic is durable, it's still plastic. So over time, you might see light staining if you regularly store heavily spiced or oily foods. On the plus side, the sheer number of containers means you're unlikely to run out, even in a busy household. The airtight seals work well, the stackability is genuinely useful, and the variety of sizes makes it more versatile than most basic sets. It's particularly great for families, fitness-focused meal preppers, or anyone trying to reduce takeout and eat more at home. Compared to other container sets in this price range, the Rockberry set leans heavily into quantity and versatility. Cheaper sets often give you fewer sizes or less reliable lids, while premium brands might offer thicker materials, but at a much higher cost for fewer pieces. This sits comfortably in the middle, offering a balance of practicality and value without overcomplicating things. So who should actually buy this? If your kitchen currently feels disorganized, or you're serious about meal prepping and need a reliable system, this makes a lot of sense. It's also a solid choice for families who deal with lots of leftovers and need containers that can handle daily use. But if you only need a couple of containers or prefer glass over plastic, this might be more than you need. At the end of the day, this isn't a flashy product, but it solves a very real problem. It brings consistency to how you store food, helps reduce waste, and makes your kitchen feel more under control. And sometimes, that's exactly what you're looking for. If you want to check it out, you'll find a link in the description. If this helped you rethink your kitchen setup, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.